Okay, so today I wanted to do a quick review on my 3-piece folding dining table. I actually like to call it more of a multi-use table because we will use it for when we eat. What's cool is you can actually fold this side down, which I'll demonstrate here in a second, and you can just keep this side open, or you can keep both sides down and just keep this middle part open, which is what I like to do, especially like if I'm working from home, or if you're limited on space. This is the perfect table that you would want to have. Some of the cool features that it has is it has 3 storages, so you have one up here, one down here, which I'll come and open, and then the cool part is I actually have one back here. But let me show you these front ones. So this one slides right out, and then this one here as well. This one can actually hold quite a bit in these 2 sections. So, and it's made of very, very sturdy material. Might take you about an hour to put together, but once you have it all ready to go, it's a great purchase. So let me kind of show you the different ways that we can have this set up. As you can see, these 2 sides are easy to put up, and then you're good to go. All right, so this is how you can have it if you just only want to have it set up to about halfway. Like I said, this would still sit 2 people comfortably. Like I said, if you want to sit some more people, definitely open that up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put now this side down, and then I'll just show you how this will look by itself. And the same way we did with the first side, we will do on this side. As you can see, very, very easy. All right. And there is like the last of it. Usually I'll literally just put my laptop on here. There's all the space that I need. And the last thing that I like to say is that all of the sides have wheels. So it is portable. So that's very, very nice feature to have. Different parts of the wheels have brakes, so you don't have to worry about it moving once you have it where you like. So if you're looking for an awesome 3-piece folding table, I highly recommend this one. 10 out of 10.